Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor Haselton. I'm going to start this video off with a joke. So, what happens when a snowman throws a tantrum? He has a meltdown. So, hopefully you got a little bit of laughter out of that. I'm going to get right into this video. So, this is going to be part 1 to the coupon book step-by-step tutorial. This video is not going to be super long because I'm going to be focusing on niche research for this video, and honestly, that's something that you just have to do yourself. It can take hours and hours to do it, or it can take like 10 to 15 minutes. Honestly, usually it does take a while to do it just because there's so much that goes into it, but I'm going to give you the tools to do it yourself and learn how to do it. So if you haven't noticed already, I'm in incognito mode for my Amazon research, and that's because I don't want my individual researching or what I search for on Amazon to influence the stores I'm getting from self-publishing titans. So the two extensions I recommend for niche and keyword research is going to be the AMZ Suggestion Expander, which is free on Chrome, and the Self-Publishing Titans, which is also free on Chrome. So what you want to do is go to Amazon.com and search for whatever book you're trying to do. So we're doing a coupon book theme, so I have a bunch of tabs already open of various keywords and possible niches that we can go into. So for example, this one is coupon book for him. It has a niche score of 35. If you hover over this little question mark here, it will give you a bunch of information like what niche score they recommend and things like that. And obviously the higher the score the better, but again, you need to validate the niche. This isn't like if it has a score of a 60 then it's automatically good. You need to look at it and see what it is. They have tons of information here, the total results, bestseller ranks, individually published. They have different versions too. There's just so much amazing free information that they give out, so I highly recommend doing that. I personally will not consider a niche if it has below 40. Sometimes if it's something I'm really interested in, I think I have a chance, then I might, but it seems like I have the best sales if it's in the 50s or higher. But sometimes I'll go as low as 40 if I'm really struggling to find something and I want to produce a book in a certain niche. So coupon book for him has a score of 35, not the best. If you have the suggestion expander, then when you type stuff in, it's going to give you all these different options. Keywords before, keywords between, usually there's even more for keywords after, and there's just a bunch of different things. So you just want to go through as many as you can think of and try to find ones that have good niche scores and think about what people are going to be searching for. So I have a couple other examples loaded here. Coupon books for him blank has a score of 12, so that's really not that great. For him, birthday 23, coupon books for couples 37, again not that great. Coupon book for mom 25. This one is blank coupons for her 33. And then I finally found this one, reward coupons for kids, which has 43. So this really isn't as bad, and I'd want to look a little bit more if these are blank or if they're not, if they have ones that are filled in. It does have 17 individually published. The bestsellers ranked average is 492,000, so really not the best there either. You kind of want to aim for the 100, 200,000 area, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to go research this for hours and hours just because I want to give you guys a great idea on how to do this yourself, and I think this still has a great chance. I do have a coupon book for my KDP business already, and it doesn't have the best score, and I do get sales on it occasionally, so I feel pretty comfortable creating a book here. It might not become a bestseller, but I think that I definitely have a chance to get some sales here. So with a score of 43, and they are selling, and there's a bunch of individually published, you can scroll down and see them. This one has a bestsellers ranked of 197,000, published in 2020, and I'm just going to go ahead and look through and see this one is a blank, fill it in yourself. This one is also blank, and it has 2.7 million. This one is not individually published, but this one's also blank. So it looks like the blank coupon books are definitely winning here. This one's blank as well. So I could be a little bit different and have ones that are not all filled in. I could have ones that are all filled in to be different. There we go. Or I could stick with going with them blank. So this is how you're going to do your keyword and niche research. Go ahead. You can even look for themed ones like dinosaurs, or dodge or things like that. See if anything comes up, and this is how you're going to find the best niche to go into. So I hope you enjoyed this part 1 video. Definitely stay tuned for part 2. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.